Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live, everyone, as we had a very active late afternoon and evening from the Southern Valley into Lakes Country. Those storms actually now impacting the Duluth area. Then later tonight, some storms fired up in Grand Forks County, dumping some significant hail in the Thompson area. And this is about the only ball game left in town right now. The rest of us very quiet. But right near Crookston, we have a severe thunderstorm. A warning is in effect for the yellow area until 10:45. This does include Polk County and portions of Red Lake County as it's moving eastward now at about 35 miles per hour. The cell is exiting Crookston. Things should be quieting down for you. As we take a look at this area between Crookston and here, the deep reds is where we have the potential for some of that hail still in the storm. Lightning is really diminished with this cell. That's a good thing. And these cloud tops are much shorter by about 10,000 feet. As opposed to those thunderstorms we had earlier in the day. But nonetheless, some hail making its way eastward will be near Mentor by 10:42, Erskine by 10:53, and near 11 o'clock into the McIntosh area. If it continues to maintain its intensity, we'll keep you up to date on that. A little bit of a thunderstorm cell working its way into parts of western Roseau County now, really just developing on the county line there near Kittson County. And notice this, not moving too far too fast, no lightning associated with it, but a downpour nonetheless a possibility. Here's a look at temperatures. We have near 60-degree readings along the international border, warm that by 10 degrees for Fargo. Grand Forks 67 with hailstones falling in the southern metro area there. Jamestown, rather, you are at 66 degrees this hour. Here is a look at a hazy sky in the FM area. Off in the distance, we're pointed toward those storms. They're several miles away, and there you can see the lightning from those towers as we speak. 71 degrees on the thermometer at Hector, 68 on the thermometer at Moorheads Airport. Wind from the south-southeast under 10 miles per hour. Our model paints a chance at some thunderstorms in the Southern Valley as we go through the early overnight hours. Any storms that form in this humid air, well, they could produce some hail tonight, and we'll keep our eyes on the skies there. But our threat really goes downhill as we go through the deep hours of the overnight after midnight or so. Clear skies and 50s for most, a few 40s to start your weekend, though, along the international border. Sunny skies and beautiful conditions through the first half of the day will lead to temperatures near 70 for many of us in the midday hour. Heading into the afternoon, light and variable winds, beautiful conditions continue, but we will have a little weather wiggle working its way through from west to east through the region. That means Saturday night late into Sunday morning, a decent shot at scattered showers and thunderstorms. One or two of those storms may be severe, but we don't anticipate widespread severe activity. So low 50s in the morning here in the FM area, ramping up very steadily and nicely to 80 degrees for your afternoon. Crystal clear skies until we get to the late night hours. And if there's going to be any rain, it'll likely hold off in Fargo until Sunday at daybreak. Your Saturday snapshot in your hometown, 76 Grand Forks, 77 Devils Lake, Jamestown, 75 degrees, mid-70s in Lakes Country as well. Speaking of thunder and lightning, Tiffany capturing this spark in the sky near Comstock. Thanks for taking the time to upload your photo, Tiffany. You can do the same at valleynewslive.com. Big Bison game tomorrow. No weather woes there. Sunday morning, remnant showers and storms will exit quickly, leaving us with a fair, albeit cooler day on Sunday. For Labor Day itself, three-day weekend extraordinaire ends off in style at 81 degrees, unsettled weather and cooler weather, Mike, for much of our next work week.
We are transitioning, aren't we?
It's that time of year, yes.
All right, thanks.